guys, Cody here. I am currently at work, but look what just pulled up over here. We've got the truck from Twister, complete with Dorothy and all, right here. So I'm gonna just do a quick little video, quick little look for you guys, and then I gotta go back in here. But look at this. I am geeking out right now. Tell me that is not amazing right there. That is awesome. Absolutely love that. All right, guys, I gotta go back to work, but I just wanted to show that off real quick. That is nuts. See you guys.